everybody, it's Sienna. Welcome back to another video. As you all know, I received stuff from you guys from my Amazon wish list, and today I received, can't grab it, this really vibrant, bright red off-the-shoulder crop top from Brenton. So thank you so much, Brenton. And today we're gonna see what outfits I can make, what 3 outfits I can make with this top. So let's go check them out. So this is the first outfit, and this is giving me a strong Canada kind of vibe. Like, really feel Canadian this with all the red and white. So I have my white Air Forces on and a pair of Levi's white jean shorts and of course the off-the-shoulder top and this really cute white bucket hat. And it's just basically like all red and white look. Super stylish, just super basic, easy to put together, and it's just really comfortable. So on to the next one. This is a really cute kind of streetwear look, and I paired it with, of course, the faux leather bucket hat, the shirt, of course, and these black ripped jeans with my Converse All-Stars. And this is such a comfy outfit. I can really do anything in this. It's just super nice. So on to the last one. So this is the last outfit, and this is kind of like a red monochrome outfit. Yes, the top may be a little bit darker, but it still basically goes with it. And I paired it with this vibrant red skirt and these black or brown heels. It's really nice, and this outfit is perfect to, like, you know, dance in. You can do the salsa, whatever. It's really comfy yet really fashionable, and I just really like it. So once again, thank you so much, Brenton, for this really cute top. I really love it. And thank you to all of you for watching my video and supporting my channel. And let me know in the comments which one of the 3 outfits was your favorite. I really like the second one. So I'll see you guys later.